Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Vivi Wogu. If this is your first time on this channel, you're welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome back. So today's video is an unboxing and review video. We're going to be unboxing and reviewing the Hisense A4 series smart TV, 43 inches. So please stick around and enjoy the video. So like I said, this is the Hisense A4 series smart TV. It's the 43 inches size. Right when you open the box, you see the stands, or do you call them the legs of the TV, and they are marked left and right. So this marking helps you to know where exactly to put the legs on the TV. As you can see, that's the left side, and the other one is obviously the right side. Okay, so you have the remote, the manual for the TV, the warranty paper, and the quick setup guide. On the remote control, you see the buttons that take you straight to YouTube, Netflix, Viva, and all of that. So this is the wall hanger. It's a free wall hanger that comes with the television, but we wouldn't be using that today. We'll just keep that aside. Maybe sometime in the future we'll use that. So now my husband is taking out the TV. This is a really beautiful TV, and you have to do this very carefully so that you don't get to scratch the screen. Preferably you should put the face of the TV on your sofa or your bed, somewhere soft, so that it doesn't come out with any scratches. At the back of the TV, we see all the ports for USB, headphone, HDMI cables, and all of that. So this is where you have to put the legs of the TV. It comes with its own screws, and right here we can also see the R and the L signs showing you exactly where to put the left leg and the right leg so that you don't make any mistakes. Yeah, so we're done fixing the legs. My husband is just peeling off the plastic in front of the TV, because I mean it has to go so as not to disturb your viewing. Setting up this TV was not hard at all. You also get to see it was so easy. Everything was just working quickly. We set the language of the TV to English, and we moved on to setting the internet, which was very easy as well, so that you have to accept all the terms and conditions, of course, before you move on. And then we moved on to setting up a Vida account for the TV, because we didn't have one already. This TV has about 4 picture quality settings. As you can see, this is really good. Like, the picture quality is so good. The volume as well is amazing. I'll let you guys listen to the volume in a bit. 6 months old and now ready to try out different foods, vegetables and fruits. So today we'll be trying bananas. Bananas are packed with carbohydrates to energize the body, and it's what you just listened to were the TV's original speakers. No external speakers are here. This is just the TV sound, and it's so good. We hadn't even put the volume at 50%, yet it was this loud and clear. So you might not even need to use any external speakers, except you prefer that, but you do not need it. This is also a good television for gaming. It responds quickly to the remote control, watching movies, playing games. It's seamless with this TV. I just enjoy using this TV. Like, it's just a good buy. It's a great buy, very affordable. If you want something affordable that can serve you, then go for the Hisense A4 series TV. Alright, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Please remember to like the video and subscribe if you haven't already. And thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.